Whoa, Brady, get off that table. Brady, this is all the stuff. That's from yesterday.
I want to get
Okay, in a little bit. Don't you want to open up your presents?
Yeah, I'll open up the present.
Can I do stockings first?
Oh, let's go check the stockings first.
Yeah, I
Go check the stockings. Come on.
More presents, Joe, in the family room. Oh, I think that was Mom's stocking.
Oh. Check yours.
Okay,
Here, let's get him down. Santa King. This is Brady.
Joy, she's Santa ate a cookie.
What's in there? Whatever's in there, Santa brought for you guys.
I got spider video.
Look, Joe. Santa came and he ate his cookies.
And the carrots are gone.
But not all the cookies.
He was in a rush. Joe, where are you going? You got presents.
Now open it.
Open them. Oh, that looks good. It looks yummy.
Candy.
What'd you get?
Candy.
Who brought you that? Huh? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say cheese, Joe.
Cheese. I got.
Can't be that hard. Give me it. Here you go.
What's this thing? What's this? There's a stocking.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that thing. What is it?
Joe, here, pull it out. What is that?
What is this one?
Keep opening yours, Brady.
Oh, open it.